I'm going to start off by emptying this cabinet.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, I'd love to welcome you for the very first time and invite you to return as a family member. I upload new videos weekly on cleaning, decorating, lifestyle, tablescapes, vignettes, and more. So please come back as a family member by clicking on that subscribe button and, baby, hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now, in today's video and the next couple of videos, in fact, I will be cleaning and organizing my kitchen. I was so inspired by my girl Penny over at Penny's place that I asked her could I join her in her cleaning series. And she graciously invited me to join her. So this is the first of a few videos of me cleaning and reorganizing my kitchen. I hope you're inspired as much as I was to get these areas that we neglect a little during the course of the year together. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into it. These are going to go upstairs in the bathroom. Okay, as far as product goes, I bought this little organizer with the 3 drawers from Target, and I also bought this over-the-door Caddy. Hey, it may not be Pinterest worthy, but it is clean, neat, and organized.
Yes.
Now I'll move on to the next cabinet.